It's been a minute, everybody. I'm so embarrassed because it's been years, actually, not a minute, it's been years. And I just thought of vlogging. I want to do my hair, so I just want to do crochet braids or crochet braids, whatever they're called. So yeah, I'll show you the braids when I get home. I just like googled how to do it. I don't know, so I'm just hoping that we can do this together, you know. Sanbonani. So first things first, I got these from TAKEALOT. I do not even know how to use them, but we will figure it out. And then I also got the braids. It is 8 inches. And yeah, so
I obviously had to check how to do this because I've never done it before. So there are a few ladies on YouTube who show how to do it, and I'll just be like cooking them and stuff, and then we will see how it goes. It's a bit scary for me because I have never done my own hair before. So yeah, it's just like one strand and stuff. So I'm guessing I just like take the middle part and then open this thing and then close it. I don't know, guys, I don't know about this. And then let me just try using the other one. I'm not sure if it's going to make a difference, but I didn't even take a mirror. Ouch, it's so painful. Go, I know what's going on now, guys. Angazi mna ngizoyithini le ndaba. Can I just try to figure this out off cam?
A few moments later. 2,000 years later. Eternity later.
Angifuna ukungasho. Yeah. Good things take time, and good habits come with a lot of practice. So in this case, it did take me quite some time to eventually get the hang of it, but I eventually did, and I'm doing it. You know, black girls doing it, black girls in DIY, you know, black girls changing lives. All those hashtags you can think of. So this is how the hair looked before I twisted it out, and this is how it looked after I tested it out. I have to say this is not too bad for a beginner. Big ups to me.